we are back with another video. Today's video, I'm gonna be heading over to check my boy Mike and kind of show you guys or show off his new car. I think you guys are gonna be pretty excited about this one. I'm gonna talk about it a little bit and kind of get you guys' reaction. Maybe I'll pick up one for myself, who knows. This car has been getting like more and more popular, gaining a lot of traction in the past couple of months, I would say. I know a bunch of people who actually picked this car up. So put your thoughts down below. Help me figure out why these cars are gaining so much popularity. So yeah, got a little bit of traffic, but we should be there in a little bit. All right, guys.
Ready to be famous?
Nah. You ready to be famous?
Just a bit.
It's just sounding good. That S65 sound nice. The V8 and the M3s, E92. I hope you guys can hear this. That's the car I wanted to show you guys. I don't know, man. You guys want to see a V8 M car on the channel? I think it'll be dope. The way it downshift and exhaust and naturally aspirated pure sound is crazy. Now, I went ahead and took off the burbles on my car completely because, well, it's kind of played out in my opinion. I mean, if you like it, I love it, but in my opinion, it's a little played out. We do have decent turbo sounds coming out of these cars, especially when you come into a stop, you got catless downpipe, straight pipe exhaust, you hear the whew. I'll throw in some clips so you guys can hear that, but that's mainly why I did that, to try to get more of a natural, pure sound. I mean, I'm not sure how pure it's gonna be, but nonetheless, it's the best I could do. Not gonna be as raw. Exhaust itself just packs a punch. Don't deal with the EcuTech software and stuff like that. I literally take my car to Mikey and he does everything. Where you can switch back and forth between maps on the fly on the steering wheel, like kind of like old school JB4 style. I don't know. I don't really see a point in having it. So hey, listen, I saw it rock out like this. If I need some change, I'll just go to Mikey. The used car market is rising. I've seen really terrible shaped E92s with blown motor go for about like 10,000. One of the most expensive ones topping out like 45, which is a white DCT car that the guy Kevin at European Auto picked up. I can't wrap my head around why these things are like coming back. Like they're making a strong comeback. I will say this is the last of the naturally aspirated era. These M3s are in fact like very slow. I think they do about 400 horsepower to the wheels, but I think like 298 pound feet of torque, something really low. Top, I'm pretty sure has a lot more power, kind of like the every other naturally aspirated car. But yeah. That shit can be good, guys. That's the fast guy right here.
No, it's not
the fast guy. Tell me what exhaust you put on.
It's a 5-speed challenge exhaust and the Eisenman race axle back.
That's what make it sound like that guy.
Yeah, bro, that shit sounds crazy.
Yo. And oh yeah, you got two. You running 4E.
Yeah, it's an Alpine 2 on. So it's basically 4 bolt-ons with Alpine 2 right now and 485.
Woo!
With a GTS flash for the transmission.
Oh, so that's why I do the wow thing down there. Yeah. Get a rev, man. I want to beat the rod bearings up a little bit.
Oh, you want to rev it?
Just a little, just a little.
Go ahead.
Nice. Whew. It's the cockpit. Whew, nice. What is that? Yo, this thing sound crazy. Crazy. DCT, look like the same one as the F80s. A little, I don't know, look a little smaller. Power button, shift up and down, iDrive. Got a little carbon fiber, but what's nice is this wheel. At 65 V8. Let me get one more, Alright. Let me get out your car before you start charging me for gas, man. Hold on. Let me get some B-roll on money. Look like money. What you? Money.
Nah, I'm broke. See my pockets? Empty. Look at this. Lint. This is lint in here.
That's what money look like, man.
Yeah, look, you got all these guys running away.
They all got money too. Who M5 is that right here? Somebody got money.
See that?
Yeah, that's when you want to hide your money.
Yeah,
that's why you want to hide your money.
Dang. Big like that?
Well, I'm waiting for one of them.
Well, he's paying.
Whose turn?
Who's paying?
For the lobster sandwich.
Oh, he's mine? Oh, shit.
He said that's just expensive.
Bro, it's not that. Well, yeah, it is. I guess I don't know how much is it.
I don't know.
It ain't your regular lunch.
Yeah, we could get $1, $2.
Yeah, it's like $27. I think.
Yeah,
27 bucks?
Yeah.
Yeah,
With
you
a
could
hot
bring
dog,
back
bread,
3
and lobster in
lobsters.
it?
I got you. Nah, I don't got you. Nah, I got the joke. I got the joke. I ain't gonna lie, man. Sitting in that M3, it really, I can see why someone would buy something like that. It really gives you nice nostalgic racing vibes. I only got 2 miles to empty in this car, so I better get to gas station soon. But I had to tell you guys, I had to talk about it. Just sitting inside the E92, it gave you like race car vibes. I see how people buy it. You know, it's not the fastest car, but it sounds so good. And when you're sitting inside of it, it just makes you feel like you're driving a race car. Whereas this, I mean, it's just BMW. And I mean, even the M3 and the M4 and the new G80 setup, and even the F80 setup doesn't give you race car vibes, kind of like an E92 does. That car, well, we seen it had a modded steering wheel and a couple of other bits in it, made it feel like I was in a real, legit race car. So I see why people buy it for that, but I'm not sure if it's for me, to be honest with you. I think I would prefer something like that in a manual transmission, just because you feel like you so race car, and it's DCT, and it's like, But then again, a DCT is a hell of a transmission as well. So, or if I were to get something like that, I would probably lean somewhere towards picking up a old beat up one, maybe even like a blown motor, blown transmission, beat up, maybe even an accident, salvage, something crazy like that. That would kind of give me some content to post up for you guys. I take a really crappy beat up version for the low, I can build it up, have the car running nice, maybe even keep the car because it's such a low price. One thing that I will not do though is spend a ton of money and finance it, because I can't justify financing a car like that and yeah, beating up and having fun. But I can't justify paying like 12 grand for like a beat up model, and even swapping a motor, doing something really crazy to it, something I can own and keep forever on the channel, and you guys would just love to see from time to time after the build's done. If any of you guys out there know of anybody who's selling the E92, at this point you don't even have to be a bigger transmission, but if it's like beat up, terrible condition, I'm looking in the worst condition possible. I don't really care what spec it is, but if you know, then let me know. Or should I just go all out, maybe J80, who knows? But right now I'm enjoying the 340, you know. I would like to lie to you and say I have a lot of things coming, a lot of things planned, but the truth is, I'm just winging it right now. So hope you guys like the content. Stay tuned for more of it, and subscribe. I'm gonna get some gas, cause I ain't got it. I'm out of here, Mike from So Speed.